What we're offering to our guests and to the owners that entrust their properties to us is that mountain town lifestyle. And we feel really strongly about our ability to offer that nicely because we're living that lifestyle ourselves. And we know how important it is for that feeling when you go to the mountains and you have that experience. We know how important it is for that to be authentic, and that's what we're offering.
So one reason we feel passionate about the services that we offer is because living in the mountain town, we have the local authentic experiences that we do ourselves. So we go to the restaurants, we know the trails to go on, all those sorts of things that we can then convey to our clients and say, hey, these are the local experiences you need to have. So that's why we feel so confident and strongly about that side of the business and offering our guests and owners those local experiences.